Alright, it is the second video on my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Javelin. So fold it in half just like this. Open that up. Now you can fold the triangles on both sides. And now, so what we're going to do, let me do one side for you. We're going to fold the triangles again, but if you look closely here, it is around an inch. It is around a centimeter from the center crease, so not exactly on it, and do that symmetrical to the other side, and this side. Alright, now the plane should look something like that. Now you're just going to fold the tip down to here, just one sec. So your plane should look like that. Now fold it in half. And now you can fold the wings. You can do this however you like. I like to make my wings like that. So there's one. Now we're going to do that symmetrical to the other one. And open that up. Now see, once we have this, we're just going to fold around a centimeter to give it a little elevator stabilizers like you would do on a glider plane. So like that. And now this is your finished product. Let's see it in flight. Goodbye.